Rebecca here, a little impromptu unboxing from close to my heart. So normally if you place an order on my website for Close to My Heart, I send you a free gift. And everybody that had placed an order in the past few months, due to my sabbatical, I just sent out all the free gifts. So if you place an order from like May to August, you should have got your free gift, or it's in the mail now. I know some of you already have, but if you guys place an order with me, I will send you a free gift. So I will have my link to my Close to My Heart down below. I've just got my address covered. And this box is super dirty. Not real sure what FedEx did, if they were playing like hockey or something. So, not gonna lie to you guys, forgot what I ordered. I always do. Just here. Not stab massage. Oof. All right, I've got the Essentials September 2023 to August 2024, so that must be the big book now, which is really small. And then I've got September and October's book. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff. So let's just put that all over there. Throw that over there. So I picked up some more Guilt spray because mine was running low. And I did get some new shimmer brushes. We've got Jade, Rosie, and Journey. Oh, let me grab my swatch book. And let me see. Where is it going to be? In here somewhere. Right there. All right. This is how I swatch everything off. And then I just kind of go with it. This is Journey. And they now write on there. When I first started selling, they didn't write on there. So, like, a lot of mine are handwritten. You just take the little yellow top off. And you twist it till it clicks. Well, you feel it too. Then it'll be white. And you just want to shake it up. Get a little ball moving. And push until you see it'll start changing color as it feeds. Start to see it coming down. Now it starts to come down. Oh, now it starts to change the brush. There it's white. There it's the Journey color. We're just going to put that right on here. Make sure it's snapped shut. Make sure it doesn't spelled any kind of funky way. And I write on there what it is, and then I properly put it away. That is a really, really pretty color. This is Jade color, so we're going to another green. Prime this one. That up. Just kind of prime it. I always hold it upside down so it'll gravity fed as well. And there we go. Just come in and I get that stuck in there. Looks like Jade is a green apple. Maybe it's a replacement. This is Jade. And then our last one is Rosie. Our little Squeeze. Starts to come out. Then I hold for a little bit. Squeeze and hold. It's starting to come out. And those two colors are similar, these two colors. All right. So many of those I need a new storage system for them, but that's okay. All right. Now, let's see what else we've got. We've got the July-August mix-in. I just got some papers because this My Heart paper is seriously good stock or quality. So we got some of this. This is Sapphire. So here's side A, side B. This is gonna be Glacier, side A, side B. Just the mix in. This is going to be Sage. It says the colors up at the top of what comes with the collection. This would be Honey Butter. So just some real good reads as a solid. This is going to be Toffee. This is Mink. So that is the mix-in. I went ahead and picked myself up some 12x12 acetate sheets because of all the fun shaker pockets. This is the mix-in from April to June. I did just go online and get a lot of this stuff that was on sale. And the mix-ins are very versatile. So this is going to be, I would say, Mink. Newspaper print. Very fun. This is going to be Papaya. Stars. And this is going to be Toffee. I love the whitewash wood grain. Burlap in the back. This looks like it's going to be Charcoal. This is going to be the Seabrook. And this is going to be, or this is probably Pine. This is probably Seabrook. All right, so that's that mix-in. And then we've got the September-October mix-in. So this will coordinate with the collections. And this is going to be a Scarlet. Beautiful. Looks like Toffee again. Pine. Mink. This could be French vanilla. And then that one is black. And we've got the gnomes for autumn. So this black set will coordinate beautifully with these. So here's the sticker sheet, everything that comes with it. I just thought that was really cute. And then I got two of this one, which is really cute. It's like pumpkin patch, like a little word search. And then that gorgeous stripe. Oh, like watercolor leaves on the orange, but that's pumpkin. Yep. And then limeade on the back. You could fussy cut this sheet out. Oh, and then the little gnomies. That is that collection. And then the last one that I got was the Good Life. So here's the Good Life sticker sheet. Fabulous wood grain, gorgeous plaid, non-tone dots, some stripes. It's got some blue. I love that. It looks like old steel tin roof. Blue wood grain. And a fun mixed media page. So that is it. So if you guys want to pick this stuff up, oh, head on over to my website down below. I appreciate all business that you send my way. Like I said, I always send out free gifts. It's just my thank you for helping to support my little bitty business, which helps support my craft room. So here is all the fun stuff in this next 2 months catalog. So this is good for September, all of September and all of October. And super cute. And then this is the regular catalog. So I usually go through this, mark up what I have. Need to get some of that masking tape. So much fun. This is just the essentials. This is basically everything that you need, which is kind of cool. And Journey is the color of the year, the new color. So yeah, so there are, so I like the way that it is now. So that's going to do it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later. Bye.